Make instant 150 pesos agad once you sign up using my referral code dito sa Maribank, and 99 pesos cashback pa once you order and use your Maribank Mastercard. Paano? Check the link on my bio for the full steps. Unboxing na tayo. Dumating na yung Maribank Mastercard ko. In-order ko lang to sa mismong app ng Maribank. Super dali. Ang linis ng packaging. And ang ganda ng card. Minimalist and premium dito app. So quick reminder mga mate, Maribank na siya ngayon. Dati po siyang Cbank. So ang best features dito na pinaka gusto ko is high interest rate savings, no maintaining balance, and 15 times free InstaPay and PesoNet transfers. So, pwede rin mo siyang magamit online shops, physical stores, and ATMs. So, napaka-secured and BSP regulated. Again, mate, once you sign up with my referral code and save, again, mate, once you sign up with my referral code and mag-save ka ng 1,000 pesos for 3 to 4 days sa verified account mo, makakakuha ka ng instant 150 pesos. Yeah, check on the comment section. Tapos, once gamitin mo yung Mastercard mo, pagdating at na-activate mo, for 5 times na mag-purchase ka using ang Mastercard mo, ibabalik sa'yo ni Maribank yung 99 pesos na binayad mo sa card. So, tip lang. Kung merong mga nagpapasuyo, nagpapabili sa'yo, pwedeng ipadaan mo na lang sa Maribank and then purchase, use it, your Mastercard Maribank. So, check the link on my bio for full steps and activation guide. Mate, God bless and always save your energy para sa purpose mo.